To download and install the Splitwise app on your phone, start by opening the App Store on your device. For Android users, this will be the Google Play Store, while iPhone users will use the Apple App Store. Once you have opened the App Store, type Splitwise into the search bar and select the Splitwise app from the search results. The app should be developed by Splitwise Inc. and have a recognizable logo. Click the Install or Get button to begin the download process. Depending on your internet connection, this should only take a few seconds. Once the download is complete, click the Open button to launch the app. When you first open the Splitwise app, you will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. To create an account, select the Sign Up option and enter your email address and password. You can also sign up using your Google or Facebook account. After creating your account, you will be asked to add your friends to Splitwise. You can do this by selecting the Add Friends option and entering their email addresses or names. You can also connect with friends who are already using Splitwise. To start using Splitwise, click the Add Expense button and enter the details of the expense you want to split. You can add the amount, description, and category of the expense, as well as select which friends the expense should be split with. Splitwise will then calculate how much each person owes and send reminders to your friends to pay their share. You can also use Splitwise to track your expenses and see who owes you money. Best practices for using Splitwise include regularly updating your expenses and keeping your account balanced. You should also make sure to communicate with your friends about any expenses or payments to avoid confusion. By following these steps and using Splitwise effectively, you can easily split bills and expenses with your friends and keep track of who owes what. The app is free to download and use, and is available for both Android and iPhone devices.